Say this is Wolf Creek, we ain't going nowhere. 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 This is Wolf Creek, this is Wolf Creek, Wolf Creek. This is Wolf Creek, this is Wolf Creek, Wolf Creek. This is Wolf Creek, this is Wolf Creek, Wolf Creek. This is Wolf Creek, this is Wolf Creek, Wolf Creek. I go hard in the motherfucking paint, nigga.
Yeah, welcome to another episode, another show. I am yours truly, Ski-Mo Dollars. This is WPN Radio, the Wolf Den. Welcome. We in this motherfucker. We gonna get right into it, y'all. This is the second No Talking episode. Man, everybody said they was digging the No Talking part one when we did it. Well, basically the No Talking format is where we just play music and we don't do too much talking. I ain't gonna do too much talking. Straight up and down. We gonna get into the music. No talking. This the second one. Let's get it popping. No talking. WPN Radio, the Wolf Den, Ski-Mo Dollars. Let's get it.
Ha.
WPN Radio.
Huh. Yeah. Rubber the genie, bitch. No other way. No other way. Yes, I ride just to get paid. Yeah. I ain't no other way. No, I ain't got no other way. I don't. No other way. No, nah, I ain't got no other way. No. So I rap just to get paid. Yeah. Y'all trap just to get paid. Yeah. Hit licks just to get paid. Ride around in stolos. Yeah. Slide. Yeah, you know that I'm gonna motherfucking ride. Me and my niggas on the motherfucking ride. I ain't got no other way, so I'ma rob me a nigga. On no Stello Chase, catwood to the face. Keep a big chop if a nigga wanna talk. Ooh, yes I walk like I talk. Been slime since day one. If it's gang talking, fuck it. We might have to shoot all 10 of them. Take his dub, run to his bitch for a back rub. Put me one, that's what the methazine. Niggas always talking, so we shooting with the magazines. Logo taking big bags, running on the first of 10. Make his bitch do the spin. Niggas faker than the box, so I rock with the same niggas. Hey, I ain't got no other way. No, I ain't got no other way. I don't know. No other way. No, nah, I ain't got no other way. No. So I rap just to get paid. Yeah. Y'all trap just to get paid. Yeah. Hit licks just to get paid. Ride around in stolos.
Big DJ on this motherfucker. When I slide, niggas die. Slide with your niggas, watch how they gon' divide. Real ass nigga, I won't never tell you lies, no. Look at you then, look at me. Real street nigga running bad like a drag me. Broke nigga can't swim up on my fucking feet. Help me run out them stores, I ain't asking to eat. Whoa, nah, no other way. Gotta get it if he try me, gotta take his breath away. Whoa, nah, just the other day. Nigga ran up on me, bet he had a good rest that day. All my niggas slide. My nigga Tootie in the cut, but you won't see him till he fire. Is you gon' ride? Call me if it's beat, cause when I slide, niggas die, yeah.
I ain't no other way. No, I ain't got no other way. No other way. Nah, I ain't got no other way. So I rap just to get paid, yeah. Y'all trap just to get paid, yeah. Hit licks just to get paid. Ride around in stolos, yeah.
WPN Radio, Ski-Mo Dollars. I am. We in the motherfucking wolf den. This no talking. We cracking. We popping. We ain't saying no names of the artists. Check the motherfucking Twitter feed for everybody. We on to the next song. WPN Radio. No talking.
Step to this groove tonight, baby. Let's groove on the dance floor tonight. Give me a hand and get up out of seat. I wanna dance. I need someone with me. No need to sit and just come party with me. And we can move around. This music made me wanna move my feet. The place it takes me is in ecstasy. Come baby, face me or get next to me. Cause tonight is going down. The DJ is playing my song. R. Kelly, I don't see nothing wrong. And I can watch it all night long. So baby, let's me and you. Step to this groove tonight. Step, yeah. Baby, let's groove on the dance floor tonight. Baby, let's groove. Let this music take us away. 'Cause tonight is all about us. And you're my reason to stay. And it's cool if we have nothing to say. Let our bodies do it for us. Let our bodies do it for us. Me and you. Me and you. Step to this groove tonight. Step to this groove. Baby, let's groove. Me and you on the dance floor tonight. Dance on the dance floor. Let's me and you. Step to this groove tonight. Step to this groove tonight. Baby, let's groove. Let's groove on the dance floor tonight. Don't be scared.
WPN Radio. I am Skimo Dollars. This is the Wolf Den, y'all. Let's get it. Next song, No Talking.
I got a lot of haters, but I'ma stay on my grind. Niggas wanna see me fall, but I'm still gon' shine. People trips and dollar change, I swear they change all the time. Flow so sour, it's like when eating on a lime. I'm headed to the top, but I still gotta climb. Ain't nothing on my mind but the fucking dollar signs. I think the weak and the best rappers need to divide. I'm tired of hearing all these weak ass rappers all the fucking time. I guess you gotta do dumb shit just to get signed. Should I sign this deal or should I go independent? On my way to the top, nigga, this is just the beginning. If you with that fake shit, man, you could keep your distance. I keep my circle small cause people act so different. I don't fucking beef cause I'm on a money mission. I remember being locked up on fucking Christmas. Niggas hating on me cause I'm lyrically gifted. I spent so many fucking bars like I was in prison. I'm getting to this money, that's my only fucking vision. One more month and my bro be out the system like Chris Middleton. Bitch, I'm all about my bucks. You a pancake ass nigga, that's why you can't stack up. Niggas hating on me, but I don't really give a fuck. Tell these niggas stop rapping cause they really fucking suck.
WPN Radio. No talking.
Sephora lips,
Baby girl moving with euphoric hips. More of this. Knew the first time I need some more of this. Dangerous, so heavenly that you make the angels quit. Train for this. Everyone will expect to share the main event. Saying the words I know you like. Touching your body, oh so right. Turn off our phones, I get the lights. You won't be going home tonight. Cheek highlight, shining bright. You'll be the only star in my sky tonight. The universe got its timing right. Yeah, I guess our time tonight. Make you blush, make you blush, make you blush. No words, let's talk through touch. Make you blush, make you blush, make you blush. Take it slow, we don't have to rush. Make you blush, make you blush, make you blush. No words, let's talk through touch. Make you blush, make you blush, make you blush. Take it slow, we don't have to rush. We spark the flame, let's rekindle. You won't forget ingrained in your mental. Got you smiling, showing off your dental. Tryna make you feel at home residential. Wanna make it to the end, I see potential. How you make it look perfect, accidental. Used to be in soul, drink this ain't a rental. Want you more by the second incremental. Elemental, how you get so fire. Hot as hell, make you so wanna retire. Make us last forever, don't want to expire. Going off 4 seasons like my tires. Like a cherry, it tastes so sweet. Wear roses, same color as your cheeks. Body language, the only one that we speak. Make you blush, make you blush, make you blush. No words, let's talk through touch. Make you blush, make you blush, make you blush. Take it slow, we don't have to rush. Make you blush, make you blush, make you blush. No words, let's talk through touch. Make you blush, make you blush, make you blush. Take it slow, we don't have to rush. Touching your body, also right. Saying the words I know you like. Touching your body, also right. Saying the words I know you like. Touching your body, also right. Saying the words I know you like. Touching your body, also right. Make you blush, make you blush, make you blush. No words, let's talk through touch. Make you blush, make you blush, make you blush. Take it slow, we don't have to rush. Make you blush, make you blush, make you blush. No words, let's talk through touch. Make you blush, make you blush, make you blush. Take it slow, we don't have to rush.
WPN Radio. No talking.
It's the SLK Dawn Life. 45 minutes and she already buzzing the gate. Told her park the Corolla and let's jump in the race. Boo, it's nothing, I write the checks, I'm getting cake. Bulletproof to keep us safe, cause haters hate. Show you how we do it in the Ville, mama. I'ma chill, getting money, nigga, fuck the drama. And fuck whoever hating on the Dawn Life. And Dawn Linen, the apparel, go get you something nice. 3 cars before I ever was a star. 2 Beamers and 1 Denali in the hood, no garage. Always had that swag with me, mama, and you see it. Bet I get a Grammy for him, done better believe it. Bet I put the Ville on the map again like Pete did. Bet I bring hip-hop back because we need it. My wife gave birth to our last fetus, so I do this for my 3 kings till they do me like Jesus. From the very bottom up to the top of the mountain, I be on my grind, money falling like a fountain. Tell me what you feel about me. I could be your number one and everything you need. I could be your number one till I'm number one. Like the charts, baby, I could be your number one. Be your number one till I'm number one. To the top, baby, I could be your number one. Early early morning and she waking me up. French toast, eggs, bacon, and some drink in my cup. She getting ready for a day, and I was back to the office, and I got packing to do anyway. I'm back to the touring. Hit the button and I started the foreign. Up in the morning, took a picture for the gram, show the haters I be on it. Then I hit the airport, cause I got money to make. Always knew that I would make it, but I still get amazed. Sending gifts.